welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for vanilla wafers. I really love vanilla wafers. They're so super simple and yet so delicious that sometimes I actually crave them. So let's get started.
Only a few simple ingredients. We need half a cup or 125 grams of butter, 2 cups or 250 grams of powdered sugar, 3 egg whites plus 1 whole egg, 1 1/3 cups or 170 grams of flour, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract or 2 tablespoons vanilla sugar, a pinch of salt. Start out creaming the butter. Add the powdered sugar and beat together. Add the egg whites and the egg, beating between each addition. Add vanilla and salt. Beat in the flour until just combined. Batter will be rather thin. Pipe the batter onto a lined baking tray in very small circles, leaving lots of space between them because these will spread a lot. You can see my first attempt fails next to the baking sheet. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 6 to 8 minutes, if they are this small. The edges should just start to brown and they should no longer be shiny when cooked. These cookies are small and thin and taste strongly of vanilla. They have a lovely fluffy texture. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for more recipes.